At ProTech, we believe in exceptional service and the integrity of our work. What this means to us is that we are not satisfied until our client is satisfied. ProTech has 30 years of experience as general contractors in our industry, supported by a team of professional painters and carpenters. Our team takes the time to educate clients on painting and construction projects in the San Diego, Orange County, and Riverside regions. All painting and construction projects are done by in-house teams, meaning better quality control. Our painters and carpenters must pass our rigorous training program, ongoing skill building, and safety training on a monthly basis. Our team not only specializes in exterior repainting projects, but also wood inspections and wood repair services, making ProTech the contractor of choice for any homeowner association, commercial project, or apartment project. We pride ourselves to build a company culture of success, loyalty, and amazing service for our clients. Attention to detail throughout a project, from estimating, preparations, repairs, paintings, and inspections, comes second to none. It is a responsibility and privilege to help create a lasting and positive impact in our industry, with our clients, and our communities.